Sumner's the hilly, spiky bit of Christchurch's landscape, so the form of the house is a real response to that. The challenge of the site was the geometry. It's a really awkward shape, a tiny little wedge-shaped end and nothing sort of parallel. So the program was split into two, the living program and the sleeping program. We've run each of those volumes parallel to their respective boundaries, which has opened up an entranceway in between and created a courtyard at the back. In this eastern pavilion, we have the dining, kitchen and living space with a mezzanine above. And then that just leads you to a wonderful view past the clock tower and over the beach to the horizon. At this upper level, we've connected the two pavilions with an outdoor terrace. So you can exit the mezzanine, go outside, and then enter the bedroom wing. I often find the more constraints that a project has, the better the outcome. And with this particular project, the geometry of the site was very complex. And without that, I don't think we would have arrived at this result.